Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, just a quicker little E36 video today. Obviously this isn't the E36, but I gotta move this out because this is getting picked up, and we gotta pull the BMW in, so. Smells like rubber in here with all this hose. I just mounted the fuel cell on this thing yesterday, so that's why it was here. If you guys don't recognize it, this is Marco's 350Z that we did a bunch of work in, well, handful of times now. He just got it wrapped. Looks pretty cool. You're next. Still haven't decided though, because I did order a body kit, but I haven't decided if I want to wrap that or I want to paint it. I know wrapping is pretty inexpensive. Like, I mean, it's expensive for me at the moment because, you know, 600 bucks for the roller wrap is kind of expensive. But as compared to paint, whereas if I just redo the silver and then just paint the kit when it shows up, it shouldn't be much. I don't know, I think it should be between like 500 and 600 in material, because I already started pricing out some of the stuff for it, and it wasn't too bad. So I don't know, I'm torn, because with the wrap, obviously it's super easy. Well, easy, I haven't done it yet. I've only messed around with it a little tiny bit, but it's super easy to you know, change when I start smacking panels and stuff, as compared to paint, where you got to do prep all the time, and then, you know, paint's usually a bit more involved. So I don't know, haven't figured that part out yet. When I decide, you know, I'll let you guys know. But so for today, what we're doing is, obviously you see, you know, this E36 ever since I bought it has not had door cards on either side. So that's what we're gonna fix today. Now, because the factory door cards are kind of like a running joke from what I've understood since I've been an E36 owner. I mean, there's pictures of them. You'll see, I don't know if it's the glue, if it's the clips or whatever, but there's pictures on the internet where you can find of people like opening the door and the door card just stays there, because they're so crappy. So to remedy that, and because drift car, and I don't want to put, you know, non-cool stuff in here, we got a marketplace find on these aluminum door panels. So these ones are actually the exact ones I was looking at on eBay. There's a gentleman, I believe in Canada, that actually makes these things. But I didn't want to order them from Canada quite yet, so we found these on Marketplace, and they were 150 bucks as compared to like 300 basically. And oh, I finally got around to changing this door handle. If you've known me in person, or you've been near the car, or you mentioned, you know, been watching the video since I've owned it, door handle's been broken. Kind of still, you got to lean into the door a little bit. I've tried messing with the striker, but it hasn't helped. But yeah, these door cards just basically get self-tapped in, if I had to imagine. Now these ones do come with these little brackets, because you can use a pull strap if you want to. I don't have one. I'm not going to set it up right now, so nor, you know, or whatever. So go ahead, mount these brackets, and these are supposed to help us to basically reuse the stock handle. So it just spaces it out, because I guess the guy that I bought these from said the cutouts here, the door card comes away from the door a little bit, so we'll have to make that work. So let me find some self-tapping screws really quick, and let's get into this, because I'm pretty excited to see this on here. I'm not sure if I have a box of new ones or if I gotta make them work, because these aren't going to be forever. So yeah, I'll probably just run these guys, because these ones got little rubber grommets on here. But I won't run these forever. I'm just out of Rivnuts at the moment, so at least these will help me locate the holes, and then we'll probably go through and add some Rivnuts later. One thing quick before I do put the door card on is I want to clean up this harness a little bit, just get some tape on here. I don't have any loom because I believe this is for the auto or like the power mirror and or a factory tweeter that I no longer have, well, never had since I've owned it. So I'm gonna go grab some tape this up really quick, and I'll be right back. I don't know what this factory, I think this used to be tape, definitely is not tape anymore. But I just want this loom to be tidied up a little bit because I don't want to crush it. And I've been meaning to do this for a hot minute, but when it comes to doing the little stuff on this car, I've noticed I've become very lazy because I just want to drive it. And when you're a one-man show, you don't really have the most motivation all the time, especially doing your own stuff. Is taped up pretty decent, so now I'm just going to tie it out of the way. So I think the plug that was hanging here is just taped up right now. Obviously I haven't had door cards, and I think that was either the, I think that was a mirror switch. So one day I might be able to get those back. I mean, until then I have a fixed position seat, so I'm not worried about where exactly the mirror is because I already have them set where I like them, so not a big deal. But I'm just putting an Arrowhead zip tie in this little hole that was already here. If you don't know what these are like really dope zip ties like this where you can tie stuff out of the way. I got these on Amazon, I think like a pack of them for like 10 bucks or something forever ago. They work great. Look at that. Harness is out of the way. Honestly, might tie this one down there a little bit. I don't know, might put one there, but for now this is good. We're good. Let's get this door handle off. It is a I think that's a T25 screw, and
replaced it, you know?
Yeah.
I would say keep it until it breaks again. When it breaks, go full pull straps.
Well, I was thinking pull straps because I already just took this apart a minute ago and nothing was lining up correctly because I got to re-drill a hole in the bracket, but Jeff is pretty adamant on reusing the handles now. So I guess we're taking this back apart. Thankfully,
what's this handle again?
It's just one screw. I don't know, 15 bucks on eBay.
Oh, is that cheap?
Yeah. You know, it's the outside one that's expensive. So yeah, we're gonna have to shape this rod a little bit, so this guy just kind of gets pushed back, and then we do have to drill 2 holes for this bracket. Now the bracket does fit, I already checked that part of it, but it's just where the handle slips over. That's the part that doesn't fit 100%. It's like they just move the hole over a little bit, which not a big deal. It's super thin metal, but like you slide that in there and it's off.
Right there. That's perfect.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's not. We're maxed
Just
out.
give it a little oomph.
I can't give it some oomph.
A bolt will go right in there.
I will not go in that. I'm gonna have to wallow the hole out.
Just fucking put a bolt in it.
I gotta like really, actually not. I think I can just shorten this a little bit.
No. Look, put
It's
it on.
hitting. No, it's hitting the weld on the inside.
I know. Put it in. These are small anyway. These little guys. Just fucking put it in.
Well, I can't do that first anyway because I gotta put this on the handle or on the door.
These are tiny anyway. It'll be fine.
You're just.
It'll be fine.
You're just fibbing.
It'll be fine. Just make it work.
Move your.
Just do it.
Move your butt.
Just do it. Okay.
All right.
Bavarian metal works. Where'd you get that?
What?
Bavarian metal works.
That's the guy that I bought. I remember off of.
I bought something off it, I swear.
Oh, that's the kit for the rear diff.
Okay, now you're hopeful. You're still hopeful.
I don't have a T25.
I do. I got a straight screwdriver for you.
All right, we went next door. Jeff ended up having a long T25 screwdriver because I don't have any of these. I only got the little bits. I need to buy a set of these, or like in the Allen key style, like the long T handle, because I'm starting to run into these things more and more. Because even though, you know, Euro cars obviously use them, I'm noticing a lot more of like newer cars in general are starting to use them. Like Type R's, like half the hardware on a Type R is a Torx. Like, why? All right, now let's try and do this again. Basically, and that's the wrong size. Son of a biscuit. All right, we gotta go back. Now we got one. Thankfully, Jeff had a, you know, T20. This is kind of awkward because I gotta like stretch the bracket over and feed this through. So, there we go. That wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Sweet. honestly, that's pretty solid. I mean, I could just run a self-tapper, because I don't know, I should drill it, but I think there's room for a self-tapper behind it. Let me see if I got some small ones really quick. Give me another one. There we go. Good enough for me. And then grab our screwdriver bit, because I got the impact driver already out. Oh, golden. Freaking golden. Set that to drill mode. Sweet. All right, now back to this guy, because we're using self-tappers for the door, at least for now. All right, so that's good. Oh wait, we gotta mount the handle though. So that's just gonna be one of these pieces of hardware. Let's go grab the handle, and then you see this thing has a little thing there and then that thing there. So, oh wow, just enough. All right, now let me try and get my finger back there, because my finger's a little on the cut up side right now. I got it caught in the bandsaw the other day. There we go. Okay. This is what we gotta do. You gotta do it while the handle is off the vehicle, because it's got the stupid funky U shape to it. So now that's a lot better. Get back in your slot. All right, we're looking good. Grab passenger door card, which I would assume is this guy. Drop that over the lock, which mine isn't really held in all that well. And then just start self-tapping. Works for me. All right, guess I'm gonna put one right up top here to just hold it. Heck yeah. All right, let's just start cramming these Johnnies in. Not even mad about it. It's nice is because my car seals pretty well, but if it didn't, these things do have these little rubber gaskets on them, so you don't really got to worry about it. Water getting in them. Okay, GoPro shut off because it overheated, you know, shout out Arizona summers, and I didn't want to have the fan over here so you guys didn't get all jumbled up with the audio. But yeah, you can see we're looking pretty freaking cool over there. Make sure this GoPro is picking it up, which it isn't because my head's tilted. But yeah, no, freaking looks great over there. Whatever, I don't know. So anyway, I got this side pretty much taken care of. This handle is put on, this bracket's put on, so we just gotta do the door card really quick. So, you know, what's the wait? Let's just do it. Do it to it. Awesome. I really do like these things. They look good. They're sleek. They're simple. And it just looks so much better than this ugly freaking door, especially with all the glue stuff, because that stuff, I've tried getting it off. I've tried like everything. It does not come off. Wire wheels, goo gone, nothing. Gotta say, this is probably one of the easiest part installations I've done in a long time now. And I'm definitely not mad at that. Hopefully being snug like that to the body, it won't rattle much, but we're done. Look at that. Looks good. I don't think I have a door lock on this side, to be honest. I don't think, like the lock rod, I just realized that. because I didn't move one out of the way, but I don't remember seeing one. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. That's the freaking door card installation. I mean, there's really not much to it. It's a simple, actually the camera angle is good here. Yeah, it's a simple, clean, you know, effective modification. You know, granted, these things aren't too hard to make yourselves, but that's a big piece of aluminum. You know, this one's CNC bent. I didn't want to try and deal with that myself. Like, I'm happy buying something like this, but let's make sure that the handle, you know, works as easy as it should. So bam, bam, bam. Oh, you know, that kind of took away some of my elbow space, but that's all right. Yeah, see, works like fine. This one, yep, that works fine too. Actually, you know what, this handle's broken. I'm missing the outer skin to it. That's why that one's not looking like that one, but I don't know. Well, guys, I appreciate you spending some time with me here today in this little install video. Haven't ran the GoPro head cam in a while. Figured it was a good way to make a quick little video. So if you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button right below, or if it's on your, you know, if you're on your phone, wherever it is. If you want merch, it's on the website, which is velocityracefab.com. I'm trying to come up with some new designs for the end of summer for like spooky season. I do have a Patreon if you guys want to follow me on there. I only have 2 people on there right now, so I haven't done much, but when we get more people, we'll definitely do some more special stuff. And I also have a PO box if you want to send me something cool. So people like to send shirts and stuff sometimes, so that's really neat. I appreciate all of it. But anyways, guys, do what you love. Figure out the rest. Get out of the heat like I should be, but I'm waiting for the Z to get picked up yet. So we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.